Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a what's in my hospital bag type video. Excuse my hair, this side is not properly picked out, whatever. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So this is my bag. It's my diaper bag that I got, but it's this one here. It's just the gray one that I got from Amazon. I'll link it below just so you guys can see that. So, in the largest pocket or the largest zipper, it's just like that, and then it's got the changing pad, and then a lot of space for other stuff with zippers and such. In that pocket, we have my clothes, which are we have 2 pairs of pants or bottoms, some sweatpants or joggers, and some leggings, since I'm not sure which one exactly I'm going to wear or whatnot. Then I have 2 tops. They're both tank tops, just to make it easy, because I am going to go ahead and breastfeed, so that's just to make that easier. And then I have a button-up dress, because you know, can't go wrong with button-ups there, right? Right. I do have 3 pairs of socks, just because my feet got really cold the last time, and I'd rather have too many socks than too little, even though I expect to only be in there for a day. We'll see. We'll see how things go. After that, I have 3 receiving blankets. If you can, let me see how. I have 3 receiving blankets that look like this. A unicorn one, because I love unicorn pink, and then a white one with pink hearts. And those are, of course, just for if I need them while we're in the hospital. They're multi-use, because you can use them for anything really. So okay, now my kids are always small, so I brought for Bradley, I brought 2, what are they called? 2 of these onesies in size preemie, but then I ended up needing a 3rd one because I didn't have enough, basically. I thought 2 was enough, but it wasn't. But so these 2 are both preemie for her. This one's a floral one, and this one's a unicorn one. And then, of course, headbands. Hopefully she could fit headbands. I don't know. I wonder if I could untie. I think this unties actually. So this one's for the unicorn one. And then this one is for the floral one. So she has 2 headbands that she can wear with them. And then I brought her one just normal onesie, just the top. And then I brought her one outfit kind of thing, one outfit set or whatever. And it's just this owl one with floral pants, just because if I end up needing more than 2, then of course I got the extra outfit for her to go home in or whatnot. Now, if she can't fit preemie, then I did bring her this newborn one. And it's so cute. I got it from Walmart, and it's got a little matching hat, so I thought that was so cute. I just know for a fact, when I put Bradley and Trey, both of them, when I put them both in newborn, it was too big, so their legs kept getting just all stuck up in the top or whatever. And then I have this a large swaddling blanket. It's just a pink and white striped one, and then this pink one to match. So it looks like that, and it's just a pink hat to match it here. So yeah, so I don't have to have her on clothes. If I wanted to spend skin time, I could just have her wrapped in that. Okay, so we're gonna zip that pocket up 1 second here, and then we'll go to the next pocket. in the next pocket, the next zipper. Actually, the only thing I really have in the next zipper upper is my scarf. I'm gonna move my socks over there too. Okay, so in the very, very mini pocket. So I'm not bringing diapers or wipes just because the hospital provides those. I don't feel like I should bring any with me, just to weigh the bag down more. So I'm not gonna do that. In the very, very tiny pocket, I have a travel toothbrush and toothpaste because the ones at the hospital, they're so soft and I don't like them. Some Listerine. I have nursing pads because with Trey, I started producing so much milk while I was already in the hospital, so it's like, oof. Yeah, I don't want to mess up there and mess up my clothes or whatever. I have this little combing brush. This is going to be the travel one. I might have a bigger one for her as well, but that's in the back. In the back. I have an extra refillable, what is this called? The diaper bags to hold diapers in. Yeah. It goes for this here. And it's just to put dirty diapers in so then they don't smell. You can just put them in a normal trash or whatever. I have a pack of pasties. These say I love mommy, and a heart and mommy. These are Mam's ones. They got two in there and a mommy clip. Or you know what I'm talking about. Got an extra white headband, just because I wanted to bring an extra one. And then I got her 2 pairs of socks. These are to go with that shirt and the extra outfit that I packed her. So these are for those, because the onesies, of course, they're onesies, so she don't really need any for onesies. But yeah, 2 extra pairs of socks. Let me go ahead and put this back in. I'm just gonna put this in her little hat. Just gonna go in this middle piece here. And then of course I'm going to be bringing her boppy, but that can't fit in the bag. It's just a boppy with a pink cover over it. So thank you guys for watching my what's in my hospital bag video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see all of my future content. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.